Following quite a while of goaded breath pausing and heaps of hypothesis and sharp looked at sightings in the wild, alongside a model drive just in case, we're at long last in the driver's seat of the 2023 Portage Officer Raptor. Portage Officer Raptor, which no question followed a recipe well developed by the American market, was an immense accomplishment for Portage Australia. No other producer has had the option to draw near to the first Raptor in Australia as far as rapid and low-speed execution for a display area standard four-wheel drive ute. Notwithstanding that reality, and just a short time after we set eyes on the main Officer Raptor, we have another model. What's more, it's anything but a little update in any way, shape or form. Utilizing Passage's new T6.2 stage, which has been created and designed in Australia and as a development of the past T6 stage, the Officer Raptor gets a large group of huge changes. To begin with, the motor. Gone is the 2.0-liter super diesel motor, which was great for 157 kilowatts and 500 Nm. That powertrain lives on in different business sectors, however us Australians get Portage's 3.0-liter nano petroleum V6 complete with twin turbocharging. Going through Passage's 10R60 10-speed force converter program transmission, the Officer Raptor currently makes fundamentally more power, 292 kilowatts, and a decent knock of additional force, 583 Nm. Top power is accessible at 5,650 RPM, while greatest force is accessible at 3,500 RPM. The new Officer Raptor likewise gets an extremely durable all-wheel drive framework, which utilizes an electronically controlled Borg-Warner grip pack framework. This framework considers four-driven wheels, with the front-back split directed by the vehicle's cerebrum on the blacktop in 4A mode. This is significant in light of the fact that it's something the old Raptor couldn't do and painfully required